Rounding. Company. Change company settings. General settings. Rounding. You can set accounting software to round customer document values. To do this, choose the type of rounding you wish to use and then specify the amount to round to. You can select round up, always round up, round down, always round down, normal rounding, round either up or down to the closest value as set. Or you can select no rounding. Do not round values at all. The value you are entering here is the number of cents. In this company, we have set 5 as round to nearest. When you enter transactions, now in this invoice, subtotal is 392 cents for. In settings, we have selected round up to nearest 5 cents. Therefore, system will display total as 392 cents 5. Total rounding is cents 1. After that, click Save.